How to add data to Google Sheets spreadsheet. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to add data to Google Sheets spreadsheet. So for that case, you have to go ahead and open up a browser, and then on the web address bar type in docs.googlesheets. I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below as well. So after you open up your sheet, here you can see this is how it's going to look like. So to insert the data, you can first of all copy the data from your previous sheet by selecting all of the data. You can also do this by selecting Ctrl+A, and after you've done that, then you can go ahead and click on Ctrl+C and copy it, or you can just go ahead and click on copy to create a new one. So go to file and then go to new. When you do that, select spreadsheet. After that, here you can go ahead and press on the first cell and then go ahead and paste in the one that you've recently copied. After that, you can go ahead and give a title to your sheet as well. Click the enter button, and here you can see the data has been sheet. And right at the bottom you can see this is the worksheet. So basically we're in the worksheet number 1. If you wish to add on more worksheet, then you have to press on the plus button. After that, you can go ahead and give a title and all that, and that's how you can add data in Google Sheets spreadsheet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.